Good morning, Brooke from How Organics. So it's 25th of July today. We're in the mid of summer grows and everything. The weather has been very rainy and quite cold as well. Colder than I have ever seen since I came here. But still, there's a lot of growth. There's a lot of light and water, so that means there's a lot of growth in our plants. And today is the day I'm going to harvest the potatoes. If you remember, we planted them 3 months ago. Exactly, it was a Nordic system. We just buried the seed potatoes under the compost. We didn't dig anything or we didn't try to reach it. That's why the growth has been very good. They have flowered already, and now they're changing the color. Some of the leaves are becoming brown. So I believe it is time to harvest them. When you look at the soil, you can see something is bulking it up a little bit, so I'm hoping that is potatoes out there. There are some little ones surfacing. So from the traditional agriculture, something we haven't done is we haven't mounded it or anything. Once it is buried or once it is sown, then we didn't do anything. We just let it grow. So we'll see today how much harvest it would come. I'm going to harvest them all together and store them. Maybe I'll sow some carrots. It's slightly late, but I'm going to sow some carrots, and at least we'll get baby carrots by the end of or maybe at the beginning of autumn or throughout winter as well, because they store well in the soil. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna pull this first plant and see how much potatoes are there, and we'll see on the way. Let's see. So harvesting is also easier when it is a Nordic system, because it's buried in the compost. It didn't go into the soil, the main soil. So they're just around here, so clean and ready to be harvested. Let's see how much we would have produced here. Let me see. Yeah. So here I found how many potatoes is that? Yeah, it's fewer than I thought I would get, but still there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 potatoes planted, harvested here. Okay, the harvest is done, and it's really exciting. When I pulled the first one, I felt like, oh, that seems too small, but some of them would be small and some of them would be big. And funny enough, that the harvest was amazing, and I have a lot of big sized potatoes and also nice ones. And this is a lot of produce to generate from that small space, and the amount of work we put on is just preparing the bed and putting the seeds on, and that's it in the harvest. So this is amazing. Like if you're doing this at home, it's just very simple on this little amount of land. Now I'm going to store this. It stores very well in hyacinth bag in a cool place, and I can use it, and I'll share some of it with my friends as well. I still have the crates to harvest, and there's a lot more to come in crates that is sown batch by batch. So I'm very excited, and I'll weigh all this, and I'll share the amount that is produced here. So let me know if you're planting potatoes and how much you have harvested, or if you're planning to do it. If you have any questions, share with me, and we can have a chat about it, and see how we can improve the way we grow food and the way we consume food as well. So I'm going to sow carrots on this today, and see, I should have sown my carrots, I think, maybe a few weeks ago. I don't know. It might be late, but that's how else can we learn? We just by just doing. So I'm going to try. I'm going to harvest all the funnels there, and I'll have a bigger space, probably the same space as I have sown the other carrots. So I'm going to sow carrots. It might be late, but there's still going to be smaller carrots we can harvest, and we can let them sit in the soil and reharvest them through the winter, and those would be our precious carrots that we can have in the winter time. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and if you have any comments and ideas, please share them with me, and let's have a chat. So thank you. Have a great day.